Being the proprietor of an online business is perhaps the best inclination I know. The startup costs are little in contrast with beginning an earth-world business. Prior to the internet, setting up in business was a high-danger movement. You could put thousands of every thought that you truly trust in just to discover, and no one else has faith in it. I'm certain you've heard the insights, 95% of new companies fizzle. Not an incredible figure, it must be said. I'm not saying that beginning an internet business is probably going to succeed anything else than a normal business, however the dangers included are a lot littler. You could fire up 50 online organizations for the measure of cash you may have put resources into a genuine business. That is a serious, amazing truth. On the internet you have space to fall flat. You simply need to get yourself and have a go at something different. Another explanation setting up an internet business as a savvy choice nowadays is the way that an ever-increasing number of individuals are leaving behind their money online each and every day. No, I'm not discussing charge card misrepresentation, I'm discussing buyers beginning to incline toward the online experience to gallivanting around a mall contending with their accomplice. Or then again, is that just me? Numerous individuals are beginning to believe online exchanges, and this can just proceed. In actuality, purchasing items online is a lot more secure action than giving over your Visa in your preferred cafe. So you believe that person behind the counter, isn't that right? This expansion in online exchanges is uplifting news for you in case you're hoping to begin an online business. In 2005, just because the internet publicizing spend overwhelmed conventional media promoting. This is a massively huge actuality. Relatively, organizations spent more promoting on the web than they did putting adverts on paper media, TV and radio. This implies organizations are starting to see the intensity of the internet and what it can accomplish for their business. Besides, an incredible advantage to working together online is the way that by and large, selling in a flash deliverable items on the internet, for example, digital books and programming, gives an automated revenue to years to come. You set the business up once and it pays you again and again. Does that beat working the 9-to-5 for a long time? Of course it does. Obviously you do need to keep up your business, or organizations, however contrasted with a disconnected business this pales into inconsequentiality. You can undoubtedly look after 10, 20 or even 50 online organizations consistently. I should know, I have done as such. Another thing to consider is that numerous speculation organizations are currently looking on the web, and they are purchasing web properties in regularly expanding numbers. For them it's an easy decision. On the off chance that you can exhibit that you are placing a specific measure of cash in and understanding a specific return, then you have a quantifiable business. Organizations which can demonstrate they are in benefit are selling for enormous cash online right now. This is just set to proceed. As of late I saw one site sell for as much as $40,000. This site has just been online for a half year, however the proprietor realized that enough generally will have the option to right away make a gainful business. $40,000. For you, possibly this is a ton of cash, yet to a venture firm this is nothing. Particularly if the business can make 1,000% benefit, which numerous online organizations can undoubtedly do. It's a speculation association's fantasy workout. For what reason should they need to depend on unsure and out dodgy ventures when they can purchase web properties which are nearly ensured to make money? In the years to come you will see numerous significant web properties being purchased and sold on the web. This is the ideal opportunity to construct your business. In 2005 one person sold 4 sites for more than $5 million. He had possessed these sites for a little more than 1 year. He had the option to show a predictable benefit over the year, thus had made an entirely important web property. $5 million may seem like a great deal, yet these sites can possibly clear a path more than that after some time. Incidentally, these were a couple of page sites. You can without much of a stretch make organizations for around $100. You should put another couple of hundred in promoting, however on the off chance that you do it right you could be making money inside 30 days. Save records for 3.5 years and sell your business for a monstrous benefit. The best piece is, when you have sold your business you can do it once more. You can even do it in a similar specialty in the event that you like. So now there is no uncertainty left in your psyche that setting up an online business is the thing that you need to do. How would you do it? This is the place for great starts. Google, that is. There's such a great amount of data out there that you will in all likelihood experience the ill effects of data overburden sooner or later. We've all been there. Notwithstanding, a large portion of this information is filler and falsehood. There are just 3 or 4 veritable strategies which you have to think about so as to benefit liberally on the web. Click the link in the description to access a free training that will show you exactly how to begin to make money on the internet. The presenter of this training is one of the top marketers in the online space to learn from. I personally have received mentorship from him. Now is the best time to get started. Presently, go forward and benefit. Enjoy. And please, hit the like button if you found value and subscribe with the bell icon to be notified of more make money on the internet videos.